How to enable 2FA or two-factor authentication in your Facebook application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable the two-factor authentication for your Facebook account in order to keep it more secure. So to start, the first thing that we're going to do is simply tap onto your Facebook icon in order to open the application. And once you're inside your Facebook homepage, you will need to click onto these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of the screen, and this will lead you to your menu. Now in this menu you can click onto this settings gear icon at the top, which will lead you to settings and privacy. And now from here simply scroll until you see a particular option that says security. So if you can't see the security option here, you can also click onto Meta Account Center, and within Meta Account Center you will see the password and security. So click on password and security, and under the login and recovery you will see the second option, that is two-factor authentication. So from here choose the particular account on which you want to set up two-factor authentication, and then you will need to enter your Facebook password. So let me enter my Facebook password. So now after adding in your password, you will see an interface like this. From here you will need to enter a one-time code that is sent to your email address for security reasons. So simply enter that particular code and then click onto this continue button. Now once you are done with the security code, you will see the steps that you can take. Either you can set up an authentication app, or you can use SMS or WhatsApp, or you can also get the security keys. So from here you can use any one of the following that you prefer. So if you want an SMS to be sent every time, you can choose the SMS option and then click on next option, and from here you will need to enter your mobile number and then click next. You might need to verify, and your two-factor authentication will be successfully set up. So that's how easily you can set up your two-factor authentication in Facebook. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.